Imagine stepping into a world where your ideas take form right before your eyes. That's the magic of 3D model design, a field that's revolutionizing industries from gaming to architecture. For those starting out, 3D Modeling Mastery by 3D Buzz is a treasure trove. It simplifies complex concepts like texturing and animation, ensuring a smooth journey from novice to skilled modeler. Meanwhile, the gaming enthusiasts can dive into 3D game textures by Israel Rivera. Here, you'll learn to breathe life into your models with intricate textures and lighting, essential skills for any game developer. Architects and builders, you're not left out. 3D Printing for Architecture and Construction by Bayrok Koshnevis explores how 3D printing is transforming your field, from innovative design to actual construction. For product designers, 3D Printing for Product Design by Lasse Koppel is indispensable. It covers everything from CAD modeling to the final stages of manufacturing, guiding you in turning abstract ideas into tangible products. Podcasts like the 3D Printing Nerd and the Future of 3D Printing offer a dynamic way to stay updated on the latest in 3D printing, featuring expert interviews and reviews of new technologies. If you're more of a visual learner, YouTube channels like Blender Guru and Tinkercad provide comprehensive tutorials that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals in various niches of 3D modeling. Finally, platforms like Udemy and LinkedIn Learning offer structured courses that are perfect for deep dives into specific areas, whether you're crafting detailed game assets or designing efficient architectural models.